Hello and welcome to Visa Center channel. Today's subject is the registration at the Canton Fair. This event isn't just any trade show. It's the largest and most influential trade event in China, connecting buyers and suppliers from around the world. If you're serious about sourcing, growing your business, or exploring new opportunities, this is where you need to be. With thousands of exhibitors, cutting-edge innovations, and unmatched networking opportunities, the Canton Fair is an absolute goldmine for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. And if you're planning to attend the Canton Fair in 2025, you're in the right place. We have prepared for you a video walking you through the exact step-by-step process to get registered the right way, so you can avoid the headaches and get straight to doing business. Let's jump in.
Hey there! If you're planning to attend the 137th Canton Fair in 2025, you're in the right place. I'm about to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to get registered the right way, so you can avoid the headaches and get straight to doing business. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about registering for Canton Fair 2025, from determining your buyer status to securing your badge. Let's jump in. First things first, are you a new buyer or a regular buyer? This is crucial because it determines how you'll approach the entire registration process. New buyers will need to create a brand new account and provide more detailed information, while returning buyers can simply log in to their existing accounts and update any necessary details. By distinguishing between new and returning buyers, Canton Fair organizers streamline the experience for everyone. It's all about making your Canton Fair experience as smooth as possible. Timing is everything. Pre-registration for both new and returning buyers is open from February 6th to May 4th, 2025. Mark your calendars and set your reminders. Pre-registering saves you time and secures your spot. Let's talk pre-registration. Head over to the official Canton Fair website and look for the registration portal. Fill out your information, upload required documents, and submit your application. You'll receive a confirmation email with your registration number. Hold on to this email. You'll need it for the next step. Your buyer badge is your golden ticket. It's mandatory for entry. Collect your badge at designated locations in Guangzhou before the fair begins, or at the buyer badge collection counters at the fairgrounds. Present your registration confirmation email, passport, and a passport-sized photo. I recommend getting your badge before the fair starts to avoid long lines. Didn't get a chance to pre-register? No worries, you can still register on-site. Head to the designated on-site registration areas at the fairgrounds with your passport and business card. Be prepared for longer wait times and a $30 fee. But hey, a little planning goes a long way. So if you can pre-register, do it. Here are a few pro tips to make your Canton Fair experience even smoother. Don't forget about your visa to China. Depending on your nationality, you might need one to enter the country. Arrive early. The first day of each phase is crazy busy. Get there ahead of the crowd to beat the lines. Have all your documents ready. You don't want to be scrambling at the counter. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be all set for Canton Fair 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends who are attending. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on navigating international trade shows like a pro. Now go out there, make those connections, and crush those deals. See you at the Canton Fair.
Now, if you're planning to attend, don't forget, you need a visa for China. And that's where we come in. Visa Center makes the process quick and hassle-free, so you can focus on your business, not paperwork. So go ahead, get registered for the Canton Fair, apply for your China visa with us, and make the most of this incredible event. And before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more helpful content. Good luck with Canton Fair.